and welcome back to my channel. It's Carolina, and today we're going to be doing my October haul. And honestly, I feel like the start of the fall just kind of snuck up on everybody. Like Thanksgiving literally came out of nowhere. The leaves changed like that. I was in Montreal last weekend and like all the leaves were yellow and orange and red. It was so beautiful. So if you haven't seen what I wore in Montreal, I'm going to link that down below. But the leaves here just changed, so right now it's kind of like at its peak. I've just kind of been really into the spirit of like all these bright colors around me, more so than I usually am. So I feel like this entire haul has so many bright and fun colors, which is really exciting. So first thing that I have is two blazers. So I was in Topshop and they had like a buy one get one free on their sale. So I picked up two really fun blazers. So this one, the first one is like a pink, white, and green blazer, and when I was in the store this reminded me of Heather's, mainly because I was watching it earlier that day. It totally reminds me of like that sort of vibe. And then the second one that I got is more of a Clueless inspired type, if you will, and this one is yellow and pink, and it's so cute. I'm obsessed with these colors. It's really fun. I feel like these are bright enough that you can kind of wear in the fall. It's not necessarily like a spring summer kind of vibe. I ordered off Shein as well, so I got two dresses that I wanted to show you guys. Let me move this over. The first one is this green and red and white dress that says love all over it. So I'm not really sure if this is more Thanksgiving or more Valentine's Day type thing. So this one has all these ruffles kind of along the neckline here, and then it also has like the elastic on the waist, as well as a little like belt thing that you can like tie and cinch in your waist more if you wanted to. And then the second dress that I got from Shein is this pink. This one's a little bit more Victorian and more like peasant dress type thing. I don't even know where I'm going with that, but it's pink, purple. It has a little bit of like a tan color, as well as this beautiful neckline here. I love all this white on it. I think it just makes it so dainty and girly and beautiful. And then as well as it has a little black trim on the sleeve, very similar to the trim here on the neckline. As well, from Shein I have some more accessories, and these are all purchased by me. Like they didn't send me this or anything. I literally like bought it with my own money. And one of them is this little red bag, and this one is kind of like that plastic material, which I thought would be really cool. It's just kind of like a little bit different. I love tiny bags, as you guys know, so I thought this would be a really nice addition. I do have red bags in my collection, but most of them are more like a bright red. This is a little bit more like a darker red, even though it is coming up a lot brighter on camera. I also got a beret because of course it's me, like hello. And I got this one, which is like all houndstooth. It's really fun. I do have a skirt in this exact size of houndstooth, so you know I'll be pairing those together. And then the last thing that I have from Shein is a pair of white earrings. I'm gonna take them out of this carton because you're not gonna be able to see. So they are these two circles. So it has a really big circle and then a small circle at the top, and they're just like very 60s. They actually match this dress very well, so I probably should have worn this, but yeah, they're really cute. I've been looking for a pair of white earrings like this for so long, and I haven't been able to find any. So when I saw them on the Shein website, I'm like, I need to get this. So I also picked up two more hats because you guys know I love hats. One of them is another beret, and this one is so cute. I actually saw this in Freddie My Love's haul, her most recent haul. I don't know, I'll link it down below so you can see it. But anyway, so she had this hat in hers, and I was like, oh my god, like I need it in my life as well. So I was like, yes, this is happening. Like, how cute is this with the little pom-pom and everything? It's just like the sweetest thing ever. I'm obsessed. Now my bangs are gonna be, oh my god, all over the place. Okay, anyway, do I even look normal? Whatever. Okay, anyway. The second hat that I got is from Winners, and this is the most 1960s looking like Cloche, this type of hat. It's just like this really nice emerald green, and it has these beautiful flowers on it. Very like flower power kind of vibe going on. And it has like orange, yellow, purple, and gray. And it's just like, I don't know, it's just really fun. I'm still trying to find an outfit to wear it with. I would love to wear this with an emerald green coat or something, and like white tights. I think that would look really cool. Matisu actually sent me this dress, and it is just so beautiful. I haven't shot it yet, which I'm like, I really need to shoot this, but it's so cute. It is like this bright royal blue dress. Like, look at that color. And it just flares out like this. It looks like huge on camera, but like it's stunning. It's like a 1950s dream, like, you know, take me to a diner and bowling. I have been on the hunt for a pair of white like patent go-go boots for so long. You guys know I have like my short pair of white boots that I wear like with every outfit in the summer pretty much. It's just that they're so cute. So I really wanted some that are a little bit longer and more like traditional go-go boots. So I ended up going for these ones. I got these off Amazon and like they are so cute. They are white and patterned and just really, really cute. My only issue with them is that the leg on it is a little bit wide. Like in the photo it actually looked like tighter on the model, but I don't know if my calves are just smaller, but at the same time you can kind of see that it is a little bit wider up here than it is at the ankle, so that was kind of my biggest issue with it. I'm still obviously going to be wearing them because they are really, really cool. So I also went to the antique market before the season was over, so of course I had to pick up a new camera. You guys know I love collecting vintage cameras. So this one is the Kodak how do you say this? Signet 35 camera, which is a 35mm camera from the 1950s. So this would be a really nice addition to my camera collection. I've been looking for one like this for a really long time, so I'm really happy that I actually finally found it. I picked up a new handheld mirror because the one that I have right now is a little bit too small, so it's really hard to kind of see yourself. So I picked this one up, and this one has kind of like a fabric backing to it, but it does have a plastic cover on it. And it's like a fabric backing with these like really beautiful small little flowers embroidered in like a sparkly gold thread, which is really nice. And then the rest of the mirror has a gold kind of like finish to it. And then I picked up some jewelry as well because, you know, antique market jewelry is always like on point. So I picked up these awesome earrings. They look really similar to the white Shein ones, but in like a bright green, which will be really fun. They were only $3, so I was like, you know, might as well. I'll get some use out of them. They're really fun, really colorful. Then I also picked up this really big heart locket, which I thought was really, really pretty. It reminded me of the locket from A Little Princess. So of course I had to pick it up. And what's cool about it is that on the one side it is a locket, and then on the other side it's actually supposed to be like a musical locket, so then when you open it it's gonna play music. Right now it doesn't work. I'm not sure if it needs batteries or if it just like is too old and like it's not gonna work, but I'm gonna take it in and see if they can fix it or see if they can actually get it going. That would be like so cool. So yeah, that pretty much wraps up this month's haul. It was a little bit smaller than they usually are, which is good. I think having some more like really nice quality pieces that are a little bit cooler than just like plain things is a lot more fun to look at. So I'm really trying to be a little bit more picky with the things that I buy, just so I'm not like overly buying stuff just for like a photo or just for because oh like it's cute, like I'll wear it and like I wear it once and it's like I just get rid of it, which is like an awful habit, and it's terrible for the planet and it's a waste of money also. So I'm definitely trying to be a little bit more selective. Hope you guys liked everything. Let me know if you have any video requests for the next month. I do have some lookbooks coming out and some get the looks and just tons of ideas, so if you guys have any requests or anything, let me know so that I can start planning, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!